What if the next world war didn't begin with a single missile, but with a chain of decisions made thousands of miles away? What if the rising tensions between the United States, Iran, and Israel are not just another regional conflict, but the beginning of something far more dangerous? And the most frightening question of all: could this conflict change the balance of global power forever? Could the world, even in this modern and educated era, really be standing on the edge of another global war? Have human beings learned nothing from history, despite all the technology and progress we have achieved? Could the rising tensions between the United States and Iran become the spark that ignites World War III? Did President Donald Trump's decision to confront Iran push the world into a new and dangerous geopolitical chapter? Are countries like Russia and China quietly watching and waiting for the moment when America becomes weaker? Could a smaller power like Iran exhaust a superpower through strategy rather than strength? Can the United States and Israel truly eliminate Iran's influence? Or will this conflict become longer and more complicated than anyone expected? And the most important question of all: is humanity itself becoming the real victim of this struggle for power? If you want to understand the answers to these questions, stay with us until the end of this video. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments, because today we are going to explore one of the most dangerous geopolitical tensions of our time.
Our story begins in the Middle East, a region that has been the center of global power struggles for decades. Recent military actions involving the United States and Israel against Iran have dramatically increased tensions across the region. These actions were presented as necessary steps to eliminate potential threats, but history has repeatedly shown that wars rarely follow the outcomes leaders expect. Instead of weakening Iran internally, the conflict appears to have created a stronger sense of unity among its people. When a nation feels threatened from outside, internal political disagreements often disappear, and national identity becomes stronger than political division. At the same time, the battlefield itself is changing.
Modern warfare is no longer just about tanks and soldiers. It is increasingly about strategy, technology, and economics. Iran appears to be using a strategy known as asymmetric warfare, where a weaker opponent attempts to exhaust a stronger one rather than defeat it directly. Relatively inexpensive drones can be launched towards targets, forcing advanced defense systems to respond with extremely costly interceptor missiles. In this type of conflict, the battlefield becomes not only military, but economic. A small drone costing thousands of dollars may force the launch of defensive missiles worth hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions. Over time, this imbalance can create enormous financial pressure. And that leads to another critical question for American citizens and global observers alike. What is the real cost of prolonged war? Because war is not only fought by soldiers, it is also paid for by taxpayers, national budgets, and global economies. Billions of dollars in military spending, instability in global markets, rising oil prices, and disruptions to international trade can quickly follow. When the Middle East becomes unstable, the entire world feels the consequences. But beyond all the strategies, politics, and economic calculations, there is one reality that is often forgotten: humanity. In every war, the people who suffer the most are ordinary civilians, Families lose their homes, cities are destroyed, and children grow up surrounded by fear and uncertainty. They are not part of political decisions, yet they pay the highest price. And this raises a powerful moral question for the world's strongest nations. Does power simply mean the ability to dominate others? Or does it also mean the responsibility to prevent unnecessary destruction? History has shown us something very clear. Decisions made by powerful countries rarely affect only one region. They ripple across the entire world.
If conflicts grow longer, the consequences reach global economies and politics, and affect the stability of entire regions across the world today. That is why many people today are asking a deeply important question. Is this conflict truly about security, or power and influence instead? Because in the end, wars rarely produce true winners anywhere globally. When cities are destroyed, families are separated, and innocent lives lost, humanity itself becomes the greatest casualty of modern geopolitical struggles today. And perhaps what the world needs most is wisdom and patience, not a demonstration of power, but diplomacy to prevent further destruction. Because the future of the next generation may depend on these decisions leaders make today, determining whether the world is defined by war or peace.
On our channel, explore exclusive insights into global conflicts and strategy. Stay informed with cinematic documentaries crafted to deliver impactful storytelling. Witness realistic visualizations, detailed analysis, and behind-the-scenes military operations. Subscribe now to join a community passionate about geopolitics and history. Enjoy immersive, high-quality videos that make understanding complex events exciting. World War III, watching only on channel The War Unfiltered.